Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here, and coming to you from Anaheim, California. I am in California to do a speaking event, my last speaking event of 2025 in Bakersfield, but have my gold pass for Six Flags Park. Decided to come over and check out Knott's Berry Farm. I'm actually going to hit a few Christmas events at amusement parks this week and make a little video here showing you what some of these are like. So this is Knott's Berry Farm, or what they call this time of year, Knott's Merry Farm. Super crowded.
Pop says he will. Your Christmases be white. Little, and everybody Christmas.
Huge lines for all the food. 2-hour wait for hang time. He's gonna get a famous Knott's chicken dinner. 3-hour wait. Chicken's not that good. All right, fun night at Knott's Berry Farm at Christmas time, December 2025. Gotta say, it wasn't that different. You know, like Kings Island, which is our home park, they open up just for Winterfest, and everything is Christmas. And since this park is open 364 days a year, it's really not that much different. All the rides were running, a lot more decorations, a lot more lights, and that's really about it. And probably the most crowded amusement park I've ever been to, which is saying something. So over and out from Knott's Berry Farm. All right, had a speaking event up in Bakersfield, California today, driving right past Six Flags Magic Mountain. Gonna stop in here for a little bit and check out their Christmas event. All right, just spent about an hour and a half at Six Flags Magic Mountain Holiday in the Park, and honestly, not a lot of Christmas decorations. I am here on a weeknight where they're only open until 6, and so maybe on the weekend they do a lot more stuff, but got a little bit of Christmas decorations, mostly just all the regular rides are open. I did get a chance to ride Wonder Woman and also West Coast Racers, two of my favorite coasters here, and so pretty cool. All right, today I am at Disneyland. I've never been to a Disney park at Christmas time, so since I'm out here in Anaheim, thought I would check out Disneyland. And so I got a park hopper today, starting off at Disney's California Adventure, and looking forward to see. I'm assuming they decorate this parks up pretty good for Christmas time.
Ramon!
Guardians looks kind of creepy up here in the fog.
gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control.
All right, see you guys.
I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje, sent here by the Black Panther on special assignment to personally train all of you recruits to become warrior allies of Wakanda. You, sir? Yes, you with the recording device. Are you my ally?
Yes.
I thought so.
And a happy new year. Hey!
All right, hopped over to Disneyland. Never been to this park. Looking forward to checking it out.
Careful, miss. Someone might question your loyalty. Put Captain Solo in the cargo hold.
Team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a firm.
Enemies of the First Order. You will all disembark for interrogation immediately. Everyone out.
Wow.
Christmas and an even happier new year.
I could do this all day. Oh, you look so good. Hey there, how you doing? Row, row, row. You can say that again, Pluto.
And all you toys out there ready to holler Merry Christmas? Reindeer, lead the way!
Super great day at Disneyland. Beautifully decorated, as you might expect for Christmas time, and had a really great day. I really enjoyed it. All right, I flew from California back to Ohio yesterday, and a little change of temperature. I'm at Kings Island Winterfest in Mason, Ohio. Instead of 70 like it was in Anaheim day before yesterday, it's 30 here. And so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the sights and sounds of Kings Island Winterfest. Different vibe here for sure, because most of the rides, the coasters, almost all of them are closed down. And but really a much more Christmassy focus than at some of the other places I went. So let's check it out.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Murray.
Murray who?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Mystic Timbers usually runs during Winterfest, but it is closed because it's too cold.
Right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we proudly present to you A Christmas Carol, or What the Dickens?
New ride coming next year. Phantom Theater.
Frosty the snowman, what a fairy tale they say. Curl up on the couch, I've been candy kind of wishing on some mistletoe kissing, but it's almost Christmas, and there's one thing that I'm missing.
All right, that's it for Winterfest. A lot less to do really in terms of amusement rides. In fact, the coasters that are even the coasters that are usually open during Winterfest were closed. But the most Christmassy and festive of all the places I went. So hope you enjoyed that video. 5 theme park Christmas events in 1 week. It's been an awesome week, and Merry Christmas to all of you from me and my family. God bless.